Hello, beautiful keto eaters. Today I'm making keto sloppy joes. Just a really simple, easy, casual dinner. Usually sloppy joes have a lot of carbs because of the buns and the ketchup and the tomato sauce that's in there. They always have brown sugar as well. I'm going to start with one medium onion that I have already chopped up here, and I'm going to use my avocado oil in my pan to saute it. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to the onions. My onions are translucent, so I'm going to add the garlic. 2 cubes of this garlic from Trader Joe's in the frozen section, and each little cube is a clove of garlic, so I'll put 2 in here. And now I'll add my ground beef. While that's browning, I will add 1 red pepper. Next, I'm going to add the tomato sauce. It's actually whole tomatoes, they're organic, that I have ground up with the immersion blender. I find that that's much less carbs than tomato sauce or tomato puree, and it tastes exactly the same. So once this is brown, I'll put this in. And it'll be half of this. This can's 12 ounces, so it'll be 6 ounces. A little cracked pepper. And for my tomato sauce, add 1/4 cup of sugar-free tomato ketchup. I'm going to use their burger buns today, NIYA. They are at the Long Beach Farmers Market, and they're also at Rancho Margarita Farmers Market on Sundays. They're in Torrance. They do all the markets, but the name of the company is Naya, N-I-Y-A. These are their burger buns, and they only have 3 net carbs per bun. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of Swerve. If you have the Swerve brown sugar, that's even better, but I don't, so I'm just going to use the regular Swerve. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And the final thing I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of Coleman's mustard. Just give it a quick stir. Sweet, tangy, sloppy joey. I'll put the lid on and let it simmer for about 30 minutes until it's thick and saucy. And when that's thick and saucy, I will toast my buns in the air fryer, and then I'll put the sloppy joe meat on it and some organic shredded cheddar cheese. Yummy. It's getting thick and saucy. Can you smell that? Beautiful bun by Naya. 3 carbs. And our lovely keto sloppy joe. Husband's gonna be happy. I toasted the buns in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. And now I'm putting organic shredded cheddar on top.
For me, thank you.
Welcome. It's good. Cut.
It's mine.
Cut. Thanks so much for watching.